Namaste, I'm Archana. Thank you for being here. Sama Vritti Pranayama or box breathing. It's a great way to connect with our breath and in turn connect with ourselves. So we're going to begin this session by sitting in a comfortable seated position. Remember to keep your back straight. Palms come to rest on your thighs in receiving position, or you can bring it to rest on your knees, completely up to you. Now raise your shoulders towards your ears and very slowly roll it back and drop it down. For the next 2 or 3 minutes, you're just bringing all your awareness to your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose. As you exhale, close your eyes. Just become aware of the air moving in through your nostril and out through your nostril. Shifting your awareness to your chest, observing the rise and fall of your chest. And now slowly bringing your awareness to your abdomen. And as you breathe in, pushing your belly forward. And as you breathe out, gently pulling your navel back towards your spine. Here, if you want to, you can place your palms on your abdomen. Push your belly into your palms. And as you breathe out, gently observing your navel being pulled back towards your spine. So remember this movement all through your practice. Hands come to rest on your thighs. To begin this practice, first we're going to completely breathe out through a nostril. And then we're going to breathe in for 2, hold our breath for 2, that is retaining our breath inside. Completely breathe out for 2, and then again pause for 2 without taking any air in. So that is 1 round. So let's do 5 rounds together. Inhale. 1, 2, pause. 1, 2, completely breathe out. 1, 2, pause. 1, 2. This was round 1. Next round, inhale. 1, 2, pause. 1, 2, completely exhale. 1, 2, pause. 1, 2. Now do this again, counting in your mind. Inhale, pause, exhale, pause, once again, breath in, pause, breathe out, pause. Last round. Inhale for 2. Hold your breath in, retaining for 2. Exhale for 2. Pause. Now simply breathe in and breathe out. Now you can do this even doing it for the count of 4 or 6. You can do this practice anytime through the day. It's a great way to connect back to our breath and to ourselves, especially when we feel overwhelmed, anxious, stressed. So thank you so much for being here, for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear what you thought about the practice in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. If you found this video valuable, please like, share. Namaste.